Hi everybody and welcome back to the Celtic Crocheter. As promised, today we are going to go through the stocking stitch, which is a combination of both our knit and purl stitches. So I've already got a start on here and I've already done a row of knit stitches and I've done a row of purl stitches. So you can see it's not as bumpy as what is with the garter stitch. Okay, so now we're back. This would be your right side and this is the wrong side. So this is what you're seeing with the garter stitch, is all these bumps. Okay, so to start with, we're going to knit this row. So insert your hook in underneath that. You're going to cross over into the back of that stitch, yarn over, pull the yarn back through and pop that stitch off the needle. Again, in through the back and underneath that needle, yarn over, pull back through that stitch and push it off the needle, and repeat this the whole way down to the end. Don't forget to keep the tension on your yarn. So that is that row complete. So we are going to swap our needles around and we are going to do our purl stitch. So make sure your yarn is on this side of your needle. Okay, we're going to insert through the front of that stitch. We're going to yarn over and bring it back through under that stitch and pop that one off. So in through the front, yarn over, use your thumb to keep a little bit of tension on it, and pop back out underneath that stitch. Okay, and again we're going to repeat this all the way to the end. And we're going to swap our needles around again, and as you can see, you get nice V shapes in the knitting. And this is your right side again, and there is your wrong side, and that there is your stocking stitch. Knit when you have the V's facing you, purl when you have the bumps facing you. You can repeat that, make the swatch bigger for practice, and there you have it. That's the stocking stitch now learned. Nice combination of your purl and knit stitch. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I can't wait to see you in our next one. Until then, happy knitting.